Morning folks, we're back to another cook on the Omnia oven. Today we're going to have some hot ciabattas and I'm hopefully going to be able to melt some cheese over the top of them. But this is what we're cooking today. 4 lovely ciabattas. I've got the hot plate already warming. The instructions say 10 minutes, so we'll bang them on and I'll keep checking on them. I think I'm going to have to do a lot of adjusting on these because the ciabattas are quite large and pressing on the chimney in the middle. So around the 5-minute mark, I might just have to turn them round. Okay, talk to you later. Right, so it's been going a few minutes now, so we'll just have a check on them and make sure. Oh yeah, they're just starting to cook on the top side, so I'll use the old asbestos tongs and just whip them round to stop any burning where they're resting against the funnel. That looks good, and we'll put the lid back on and leave them for a few more minutes. I did actually have to turn the gas down a little because it was getting up towards recommended temperature, and as you can see I've prepared some cheese to melt on top of them, so we'll talk again shortly. Right, we should be about there, so let's lift the lid and have a look. Oh yeah, they're nice and golden now. So what we'll do is we'll take these out. Again, excuse fingers. They are very hot, so we're going to have to use something just to pin them. And we'll slice them in half, hopefully. I'm having to do this very quickly because they are very hot. We'll lay them into there. Ooh, very hot. Ooh, I'll leave that one for a second because that one is exceedingly hot. And I think we're only going to get 6 in for the time being. So wedge that in there. Put some cheese on the top. Just a bit for the dog. Put the lid back on for a couple of minutes. Just give that chance to melt and I'll catch up with you again shortly. Right, welcome back. Let's check whether the cheese has melted. Oh yeah, that's lovely there. Just bubbling away on one of them, perfectly melted on the others. I'll just get the plate ready. And what we'll do is we'll take those out. Put the 2 that wouldn't fit back in just to melt. And there we have some lovely warm ciabattas with melted cheese. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm going to sit and enjoy these now, so see you on the next video. And remember, keep dabbling.